Guys, it's your girl J to the ODY. It's that flavor baby. Yes, and I'm back with another video. Yes, so you guys, I am back with a SHEIN haul. Yes, I have been killing SHEIN since like lately, and I've just been getting all my little summer stuff and everything, the new summer wardrobe ready. I just wanted to give you guys a look at what I got, show you how it fits and everything. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think of these outfits, and let's get into this haul.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, leave no one else. You're all I need.
So this top is a small. It's very stretchy. It's a tank top, and it has like this, I like the way how it's cut. It's just an asymmetrical hem, so that's what attracted me to it, because I loved how this looks. It's just giving something different. This is how it looks at the back. So it's also cut that way, where it's not like hemmed that way, like it's not like, you know, a double hem or whatever. So yeah, and it's very stretchy. So this is a size small. I feel like I could have got an extra small due to how it's stretchy. I have on no bra, and as you can see, it's very see-through. Let me put my hands here just in case YouTube tries to come for me. So as I was saying, it's very stretchy. I don't know what does it say here? Peace. Oh, it says peace right here, period. And I love that, because that's what we are manifesting all 2023. And yeah, so this is the back, as I said, very stretchy. This is a small. I feel like I could have got an extra small. I don't know if it actually came in an extra small, but this is what's going on. This pants is a size extra small. However, I still feel like it's given kind of big here. So I tried to go small in the size, because I know that from the past video that this part is a problem for me. Unfortunately, still it didn't work, but it is way better than how the other one was fitting. So this is how it looks, and the legs go down just like the other, like the red one that I bought before. However, it's not a stacked pants. It's just the blue, and it has the split at the side, which I love. It's so Y2K, and yeah, and it's very, very stretchy, like extremely stretchy. So you can literally size down. Please size down. Size all the way down. And yeah, so this is the material of the pants. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just, and it's see-through a little bit, so wear proper underwear. Not a lot though, but it has this kind of like honeycomb kind of cottony stretchy material. I think I've seen people mention that in the reviews, that they were surprised by the material of the pants. I am too, but I kind of like it. It's different than just having like the kind of cottony blue or stuff like that, or the ribbed style. So this is like something different. So I think it's pretty cute, and depending on what you wear it with, it'll really add texture to the outfit, right? This haul is gonna have a lot of tops in there, so you're gonna see these the same bottoms a couple times. But this top is a tube top. It has a bit of stretch. It's stretchy, but it's not high stretch because of this part on here, the printed material. You don't want to stretch it out and ruin it. So it's not that stretchy, but it does have a bit of stretch. This is a size small. I thought it was an extra small when I first put it on, but it's actually a small. So that's to show you that, you know, it's fit. It's more like it's either small fit or it's the right fit, to tell you the truth. So don't size down, get your size. The back is like this. It's a longer tube top, so it's not like the little ones that I wear, like the bandeau ones. It's more of a longer top, which I find to be cute, because I like how this torso look is going. It fits, it's holding my breast. The top part does have like a elasticy, so like it's like an elastic kind of thing, so that's good. Yeah, so this top is pretty cute. I like it. I think I got it because I think it would look cute with like jeans and just, you know, a casual cute kind of look. So I actually thought it was gonna go with these pants too, but the pants are obviously lighter. So yeah, but it's really cute, and the front kind of comes down a little bit like a curve. So that is a cute like kind of style to it too. I like when they put like those kind of you know, kind of things in the clothing article, no matter how simple it might be, like a little touch, a look of flavor. Yeah, add a look of flavor. Yeah. This top is so cute. I cannot. And I was not gonna get it at first. I literally put it in my cart twice and took it out or unchecked it. So and like I ended up just getting it at the last moment, and I really like it. It fits so freaking good. Like, y'all, look at this. Look at this. Look at the work they put into this top. Such a simple top, and you have to look at the details. Like, it's hemmed. First of all, it's like a hem trim that's happening on it, right? Next thing, so it's not hem, it's like a raw hem type of thing. And then like this is like a whole different thing that makes the top look inside out. It curves, so down here is like down, so it's like a corset top, but it's not. It's stretchy, very stretchy. It is see-through, but this part will hide your boobs as much as possible. I'm not wearing a bra with it. You can wear a bra with it because the straps are thick, so you can always hide and conceal your bra under. This is how the back goes. The back looks like this, so the back is definitely like, it's just a great crop look. And I'm just like in love with how the side curves. Like, this is detail. I love detail, and it's such a simple shirt, and they put such great detail into it, so I'm like really loving it. So you guys, this is the second outfit. I was gonna put on these shoes with it, however I tried myself because these are what are they? They're a CN40. So I tried it. I thought these were gonna fit me. I am a size 11. I'm a 10 when I want to fit in stuff, and I can be a 9 if it's really that drastic. Don't judge me. However, this shoes, it's not gonna go on my foot at all. I tried. So unfortunately, this either has to go back or go to someone else. So I just wanted to show you guys it. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. So like I said, it's a CN40. So if you're like maybe a size 7, 8, then this will probably fit you. If you're a 9 and up, maybe a 9 could struggle and go into it. But other than that, I wouldn't even try myself. It has fur at the top. The fur is obviously coming off a lot. It has a chain across. They did have another one that did not have a chain. It had like more like a buckle. So it's more, a little bit more, what would they call that again? Subtle than the chain here. So if you want to look for that one. I love this top with this bow. Unfortunately, I feel like it's a little bit big, but it's not that big that it's noticeable. It's just not giving what I wanted it to give because it's a little bit roomier. It is a little see-through, so I don't know if you can see anything, but I am seeing like my area, so yeah, so keep that in mind. It's a tube top, cropped tube top. It is lengthy, so it comes down here. As I said, it's very stretchy. It has the ribbed details, so the material is ribbed like a tank top, like wife beater kind of material. It has the black lining is not that stretchy, but it is a little bit stretchy. The white part is where the real stretch is. It's very much stretch, but keep in mind that these black parts are not that stretchy, so you don't want to stretch them out too much. And then the bow is kind of clipped sewed onto the black part, right? So I like this top. I liked it from when I saw it. I just wish that I had gotten a smaller size. This is a size small. I don't know if they had extra small, but I clearly seen that maybe I should have got the extra small considering how it looks. But other than that, I think it's cute, so it's okay. This skirt, however, y'all, this skirt's too big. I don't know why I got a medium, because I'm obviously not a medium, but I guess at the time maybe it was the only size left, and I think maybe the reviews said it was small. I don't even know, but this is not my size, and I don't really like how much room it has. I feel like I'm back in school, so like I feel like I have on my kilt and I am back in school, so I'm not really feeling it. I wish it would have been, you know, because I wanted to have the schoolgirl look, especially considered that I did buy a skirt like that the other day that was more of a pencil from SHEIN, and it was okay, but this one is not given, unfortunately. So it's too big, but I'll let you guys know the waist is the elastic waist. It's very stretchy and it's a large elastic waist, so it'll be good to hold you in at the sides. As I said, it comes out. There's no shorts underneath, but you can wear shorts. It is not see-through and it's not lined. Okay. It's black and burgundy and gray, and this is in a size, oh, I said it was a size medium. Yes. Okay, so this is what this is given. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna keep the skirt. I'll probably keep the top though, because I just love it and I don't want to give it back. This top is cute. It is a stretchy top, so this is a size small. I don't know if I would get a medium, because right here is not tight, like the actual tube top portion of the top is not tight. However, the arms I feel like are like tight up here. I don't know if I should adjust them better to make that better, or what I could do, but I'm not really, I don't know if I like it. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but we are trying to step out of our comfort zone this year. So I do say that I like how the top comes like fully slim down on your hand, and then it has the frill, the loose out part, the back, what is this called? Okay, flounce sleeve. I got another one the other day, and it was like a whole big hand and with the kind of sleeves, and it wasn't cute, especially because it was short. This is so long, like the shirt stretches so much and it's so long, so it's just gorgeous to have it like that. I think I'm gonna have to make this top work, because it's giving cute on all levels. Like, I feel like I can wear this casually, I feel like I can wear it out, like it is just giving cute on all levels. Like, you can really do a lot with this top, because it has great texture. Like right here is a solid stretchy black, and then the arms are like the see-through chiffon or whatever material, elastic material, and it's very stretchy. So this is a size small, and I wouldn't size down. As I said, if anything I would size up, especially if your breasts are bigger than mine. But yeah, and this is how it looks at the back. So it's not like a bandeau, it's more of a taller crop. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but as I said, we're stepping out of our comfort zone this year and trying new things. So I really like this. Like, it's cute, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I have to figure out the arms thing, but I feel like it'll be fine. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think, if you think the arms are too tight. This top, I thought it was gonna be like as cute as the white one with the bow, and it is. However, I'm just like, what are these 3 strings? Why are they longer than the other ones that are clearly correctly there? I'm like, is that supposed to be how it is? Because that's not how it looks on the picture. So I don't know if this was an error or what. I can literally just cut this with a scissors, so I'm not as worried. However, this top is kind of a little bit weird. We are stepping out of our comfort zone, so that's why I'm like, okay, maybe I'll just keep it. When I go like this, I'm like, is it a t-shirt? Like, is it a t-shirt? So I'm just like, I don't know how to feel about this top right now. I'm like, I don't know if I can dress it up or down or what I'm gonna do with it. This is interesting to me. I do like how it fits. It fits better than the white one. This is a size, it's a size small. It does not feel big, it's very stretchy. I would just get your normal size though, or if you have smaller breasts like me, then you can size down. But for somebody with bigger boobs, I would just stay at this size, because so that you can have the same look. The back is like this, so the back does not have the frills at the back, but that's okay. I think it would look weird if the frills were at the back. So yeah, I don't know how to feel about this top right now, but I think it's cute same way, and the more I keep it on, it's rubbing on me. I just need to know, I just need to figure out how I'm gonna style it. I don't know if what YouTube's gonna do with me in this top, but it's very, very see-through. I love the little diamonds on it. It's like a flower. It's a size small. So you guys, we have come to the end of my SHEIN haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys got to see some outfits that you might want to get, and got to see how the sizing of the clothes is on me. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of these outfits. Let me know what was your favorite, and what you might be trying to get for yourself. And also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified whenever I drop a video. I will see you guys on the next one. It's your girl J to the ODY. It's that flavor, baby. Yes, bye guys.